Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a sales strategy with HubSpot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by defining your sales goals. Identify specific, measurable targets that align with your overall business objectives. Next, understand your target market. Research who your ideal customers are and what their needs entail. Then, analyze your current sales process. Take note of each step and identify any bottlenecks or challenges. Create buyer personas to represent your ideal customers. Include their demographics, pain points, and buying behaviors. Now, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Sales Tools section on the dashboard. Explore the CRM features that help you manage leads and prospects. Set up your pipeline stages. Customize each stage to reflect your sales process accurately. Utilize HubSpot's templates for emails and follow-ups. Craft messaging that resonates with your audience. Next, integrate your marketing and sales efforts. Use HubSpot's marketing tools to ensure consistent branding and messaging. Implement lead scoring to prioritize your outreach. Assign scores based on engagement and information provided by leads. Now, make use of HubSpot's reporting tools. Track the performance of your sales strategy through customizable reports. Regularly analyze the data to make informed adjustments. Conduct team training on your new sales strategy. Ensure everyone understands how to use HubSpot effectively. Finally, iterate on your strategy. Continuously refine your approach based on performance metrics and feedback. With these steps, you can effectively build a sales strategy using HubSpot. Be prepared to adapt as your business and market conditions evolve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.